still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Good morning. Today's video is going to be a spend the day with me, but John is only actually working for 2.5 hours today, so it's going to be a spend the day with us. We're kind of started getting ready for our weekend away. I've got a few things I need to do, but hopefully it can still be quite relaxed. My car's going in for a service in like 28 minutes, and originally I was going to have to wait there for it, but John's now able to take me and pick me up, so I don't have to do that, which is great. But yeah, I'm just going to reply to some comments really quickly while John's walking Louis, take my car, and then when we get back we'll do some like getting ready stuff. I've been seeing all over TikTok people like sorting out their wardrobes, and I really need to do that, so maybe we can do that today, but that seems like a lot to add on, but we'll see. We've got lots of things to do anyway. I need to get everything all charged up for the weekend. We're going to Southport, in case I haven't mentioned, which is the same place we went to last year, but we're staying in a Premier Inn this time, so we won't be in that horrible hotel that we stayed in. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link just there. But yeah, that's how we're going to start the day. We're going to start by replying to some lovely comments, hopefully, and then we can get going. I just dropped my car off.
You have. It's okay.
Yeah, it's just
only
so much money.
It's only a service. It's not like an MOT that you could fail. Yeah. It won't fail. But.
I think I used to have like a Ford. I've had two like really old Ford Focuses that we didn't bother getting serviced.
Yeah.
And so now I have to pay for it. It's a lot, but it is what it is.
Worth it. It is worth it. I do mine every year. I think mine's coming up soon.
I'd also convinced myself this year that mine was due in July, and it's January, so I was kicking off a little bit because my oil level went to like 0%, and it was like, get your car serviced, and I was like, well, I only had it serviced 6 months ago, this is ridiculous.
You didn't.
No, it's just flown by. Yeah, so I can pick that up a bit later.
Yes.
What time even is it? It's 11:30. So John's got a wash on. I don't know if you can hear that.
Yeah, sorry about that. If we can hear it, right, guys.
But I said earlier we're getting ready for Southport.
We are, yes. I've got to go to work for a couple of hours at 1:30.
2.5 hours?
Yes.
How jammy is that?
No, I've got to work harder than 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
I won't. I'll have a cup of tea, have a chat, maybe do a bit of work, then I've got a meeting, then it'll probably be home time.
Oh. Yeah, so then we need to decide. It's only Friday night, Saturday night, and I'm hoping we can get back before 12 on Sunday because Louis' kennels, you can pick them up before 12, but after 12 they're in prison forever.
Yeah.
So we always try and get back early in the morning.
I hate being here without him here, so if we can get him Sunday morning, Sunday lunchtime, then he's here all night with us rather than being here without him.
Yeah, the kennel lady's really, really nice. The kennels we send Louis to, he's obviously been going there since he was little. And sometimes she says, oh, well, you can pick him up at 3.
Yeah.
So we'll see what she says. But I mean, we're not big breakfast people anyway.
No.
And on the Sunday, it would just be people like meandering getting breakfast. So it's normally not a big deal if we like whiz off. So.
No, we normally do it, don't we? We normally leave really early so we can get back for him because it's about a 5-hour drive.
Yeah.
So we'd have to leave fairly early.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay. That's good.
That's okay.
I'd rather be here with him than him having an extra night in the kennels without us.
Yeah, and then we can get back and like unpack and have we've got to do a food shop on the Sunday.
Yes.
But that's Sunday Emma's problem. But today I need to decide like what I'm packing.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be freezing.
Yeah.
And I was going to wear my comfy clothes travelling because I got a new tracksuit and I'm very excited about it. But we're stopping off to see a castle on the way.
Yes.
And I don't know if I want to be in a tracksuit for that. So that's a problem. But we need warm clothes, and then obviously we've got the meal with my nana, so something to wear for that. But
it might be muddy there as well. That castle, so you might need boots.
Welly boots.
Yeah, or something.
Yeah, but we'll see. So, have you decided like what you're packing, or
not
is
really.
that what your wash is?
A bit, but not massive. I haven't thought about it. I might pack tonight when I get home from work. Yeah. It won't take long. It's only a weekend. It won't take long at all. Chuck a couple of things in the bag, and then we can get up, take Louis to the kennels and get going to the castle because there's a really cool castle on the way, so we're going to stop with that.
Yeah, we're going to do a video on it. We have to charge the drones today,
yeah.
the camera batteries today.
Yes.
I've got a vlog, it's not a vlog, it's just a video to edit.
Yeah.
That one's not super urgent, but if I can get it done today, would be really good.
It would be good, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you heard any of that because the washing machine's on.
I think you did. If you didn't, then
sorry.
I'll put a little clip of us going in, and then I'll film it again later or something.
Okay.
But yeah, I think you heard it. But yeah, I think we're going to decide what we're having for lunch.
Yeah.
And then start editing that video.
And get to work.
Oh yeah, get to work. When we did our what to expect from our channel video, a lot of you said that you love you tell us all the time that you love the castle videos.
We love the castles as well.
Yeah, so on the way to Southport, we found a really cool one.
We have.
It's called Morton Corbett Castle, if you're interested. But we've been doing our research.
Yes. Sneak preview. Our research.
I've been taking notes on the...
Yeah, it's really
on
interesting.
the stuff. I like researching them before we go so that you've got like an idea.
Yeah.
And then when you get there, I've heard this one's got really good like information boards anyway.
Yeah.
So we'll obviously look at those, but I like to kind of have...
Set in our heads.
Yeah.
And it tells you all about your ghosts and stuff, what the boards doesn't tell you often anyway.
Yeah. But also it's nice to have read it beforehand so I can tell you in like my voice.
Yeah, yeah.
Because otherwise I would be like, the earliest survive, and I don't talk like that, so...
No, it's nice to research and know what happened and the history of it, like you say, before we go.
Yeah, and this one has to be one of the most, like, because this one's a free one.
Yeah.
You don't have to pay to go and see it. And of the free ones, I think this one has to be one of the most, like, there's so much about it.
So much about it, yeah. I mean, and it's not like new one. It's years old.
It's probably one of the oldest ones
yeah.
we've been to, actually. So that's cool. Because I know the ones you pay for, there's a lot of information about those.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
this one reminds me a little bit of, I mean, we've not been yet, but it reminds me a little bit of the Minster Lovel manor.
Yeah.
This is a castle, but that was a manor, but it reminds me a little bit of, like, it looks a bit like that.
Absolutely, and yeah, there's so much information, so I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah. I've got one little ghost story. I just want to see if there's any more ghost stories.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
And then my information packet is complete, and we're ready to go with that tomorrow.
We are, yes.
I can do my reading in the car. Okay, now I've put a wash on. It's a bit boring now, we're getting all the jobs done, but that means hopefully this afternoon, when John gets back, we can just chill. I've put a wash on. I've been through 3 of my drawers upstairs and got rid of, I don't know, about 10 pairs of jeans or shorts, but I'm never sure whether to like sell them or just get rid of them, but some of them I've not worn, so I might just pop them up for sale, and then if they don't sell I can donate them. But yeah, that's one job done that I wasn't supposed to be doing today. But now I'm going to edit that video quickly, well, not quickly, however long it takes, and hopefully I have a bit of time before John gets home to get everything else done. It's always a rush before you go away. Also, Louis decided to hang out in the spare bedroom, so that's nice. I'll sit here by myself. The washing machine's still on, but I've decided to make some blondies, so we'll see how those go. But I've mixed up the mixture. I'm just going to put it in one of the pans and then put it in the oven. So, yum! So John's about to come home in like 7 minutes, and I can't believe how productive I've been. Like, I didn't even realise how much time I'd spent. So I've made blondies, I've edited a video, I've sorted out 3 drawers, and then any other time that I need to do something, I'm like, I've got no time. But I did all of that in 2.5 hours. That's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. I did come and sit here because Lou was just sat there, but he's over there now because I came to see him. So yeah, John's gonna be home in a minute, but the blondies don't come out of the oven for 20 minutes, so I don't know what he's gonna do. Whether he's gonna wait in the car because we have to go and get my car, or whether he's gonna come in. We'll see. But I'm pretty proud of how productive I've been. I hope these blondies turn out alright. I'm sure they will. I mean, it looks alright. I'm just letting it cool and we're going to get in my car.
I'm home.
Oh yeah, John's home.
That looks lovely. It smells nice. It smells really nice.
It's still a little gooey, so we're leaving it to
Look
cool.
at gooey though.
It might still be gooey, but it needs to.
Some ice cream with it tonight.
Okay. Cool. I'll go and pay then.
Cool.
I don't want to pay. This is the first time I fill my car up and John's not even letting me have the pleasure. He's come and stopped. Look, there's his car. He stopped me to the petrol station. So rude. A few hours later, I can't remember if we told you about my car, but it was fine in its service.
It was really good. I'm really impressed. He washed it. It was all clean. Yeah, really good. I like it there. He's done a really good job of it for us.
The man always asks how John is. He never asks how I am, but he always asks how John is.
You know, why not?
And he said,
in all fairness, he asked when I go and know about you. He asked what you.
"Oh, does he?"
Yeah.
He said first thing when I got there, he said, "Where's John?" I said, "Oh, I don't know. He just dropped me off."
Yeah, no, I like it in there. They're really nice.
Yeah, and it's always the same man.
He's always working.
I think he's like there were other people in there, but they all just look at him.
Yeah,
so
he's always working.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We've just packed for tomorrow.
We have. We're only going for a couple of days.
I've got the smallest case in the world ever. I've been hard done by here. So John's got his carry-on case, and I bought a carry-on case a few years ago, but because we all mostly do long haul, and if we're going to do something short, we just share a case.
Yeah.
My carry-on, I used it once, didn't like it, didn't use it again. But that's the only one we've got, so we got it down. Mine's like half the size of John's.
Yeah, we do need to get a mid-size sort of suitcase, I think.
Yeah,
you know,
so I've
we've
not
got the big ones. I think we get one down.
Yeah.
I think that'll be fine.
So I've not been able to pack anything.
We're just sorting out all the stuff tech-wise we're taking, because obviously vlogging, we've got drone, batteries, SD cards, MacBook. Just for 2 days, there's so much.
Yeah, but I don't want to get up there and wish I had something when we don't need to.
No.
So
it's all done now.
And it's cold as well, so we need like jumpers and coats and things like that.
I think we're going to make dinner now and chill out in watch a film maybe.
Baths.
Yes.
I'd like a bath.
Yes.
Maybe a face mask.
Maybe a Stella. I like her. She's nice.
So we're both nice and clean.
Nice and clean.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have a new friend come in.
Oh no.
A couple actually.
Oh no.
I thought it might be nice if we did a couple's face mask.
Oh.
No.
We can do, but we need to do some shorts first.
Okay. But I've got this one, which is a little dash hound with a moustache.
That's cool.
Yep. Or this one, which is orange and ginger.
Okay.
To uplift and refresh.
Okay.
What does this one do?
Makes me look less old.
It just says, one sheet mask with sausage dog.
Okay.
So it could do anything.
It turned into a dog.
Maybe. So I think we're going to do those.
Yeah.
Are you doing some shorts?
Do some shorts for the weekend.
Watch some TV.
And go to bed.
And then go to bed.
Yeah.
So
it's been a busy day, you considering
I don't know where the day's gone.
Hours.
I know.
It's mad. Dinner was really nice. We haven't even had cake yet. Might have some of that.
Well, we tried a bit of the blondie earlier and it was nice.
we tried a bit,
But yeah, it feels like today's just gone, whew.
it really has.
I'm glad I took the day off, honestly, because I wouldn't be ready.
No. Well, it's all done now.
Yeah.
It's all packed and all sort of your car's done. Do some shorts. YouTube's been edited today as well, which was good. So we have been busy.
Yeah.
It's just been really quick.
Yeah.
But I think we're going to watch what's that film called?
I want to watch Morbius, but it is 10:30. We do have to be up really early.
Not that early.
Really early.
We see how long it is.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.